have this game here called Pricetitution, and we're gonna check this thing out. I think I saw this on the Today Show, or I don't know, maybe Good Morning America. One of those shows they were talking about it, and it looked interesting. I can't remember how to play it because I ordered it so long ago I haven't even opened it up yet. But we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. It says how much money would it take, so it's kind of like a guessing game for how much money it will take for people to do certain things. So if you look in here, there's that. I guess you can play with up to 6 people, with at least if you want them to each have a pencil. And then here's the pads where they would write the price of what they would be willing to pay for something. And here's the instructions. If you want to look at it, it's right there. You can probably pause it or look it up online somehow. And then these are the cards. So it says thank you for supporting me and bringing my Pricetitution game to the market. So I'm guessing that's just something like that. So let's see. Okay. So let's see. Let's take a few of these here, and these would be the questions that we would ask people. So I'm just taking the first few off the top, and it says, so you would ask, I guess, this question to somebody. I don't know if you ask it to one person or to multiples, or your purse. I guess you can have different varieties of playing it. So I think the way I would do it is, yeah. So this would be, so if I had this card, I would read this card and say, to always use the middle urinal when there is a set of 3, how much money would it take? If I'm a woman, I think, God, I don't have to deal with this, and I draw a different card. Okay, so I guess for a guy, so me, how much money would it take for me to always use the middle urinal when there is only 3? So then my friends playing this game would write on the paper. So if I have 3 other friends, they would write the lowest price possible it would take for me to do this, to always do it, like forever. I don't know, they'd have to come up with a number, and then they write it on here, and then they hand it to me, and then I have to pick, and then I say which one it is, and the closest person is to it. So I would say for this, I would do it for maybe $100,000 for me to always use the middle one. I don't know. I don't want to do that. I would say $1 million. But whatever it is, I would say that. So let's see what other questions there are. To scream, I am the bomb at the airport, that one would take me $10 million to do. I have some money, so I guess my values, I don't know, different ones. Not to get surprise punched in the face once a year. I mean, if it's going to break something, I would say I wouldn't do it at all. But if it's just for shits and giggles or for fun, whatever, just when they just punch me out of the blue, I would, for once a year, I mean, I don't know, 50 grand. And then to get the Friends TV show logo tattooed on my wrist, seeing as I do tattoos, that would be a significantly high one as well. I would say $5 million. So these are some really tough questions for me. Let's see. Let me see if there's any other ones. Okay, like here's one. To sit in the bathtub full of worms for 5 minutes. That one's probably a little bit more reasonable for me. I would probably do that one for $10,000. But okay, but that's how this game works. So now you guys know a little bit about me, if you were wondering. So that's kind of how that works, and it's called Pricetitution. So it kind of seems like it'd be a fun game to play with people. I guess you kind of have to figure out what kind of financial bracket they're in to figure out how they're gonna choose the values, because I guess some people might go and scream they're the bomb in the middle of the airport for $500 or something, but I'm not taking my chance of getting arrested and missing a flight for that. But there you go, and that's it. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.